Good morning, students. So here again I am back with the new topic. As in the previous class, we have studied about the Mesolithic age. It means that the Middle Age, that which type of tools were used in the Mesolithic age. So now, students, today we will study about third stage of the Stone Age, that is the Neolithic and the Chalcolithic age. So, student, in the starting of this chapter, I have told you the meaning of Neolithic and the Chalcolithic. Hope so from the word neo you can understand that the neo means new and the chalco means copper age. Now we will study that which type of tools were used during these periods. Now in the new stone age or the Neolithic age, the agriculture and domestication of animals, mainly dogs, goats and sheep, or animal husbandry had become common. So in the new stage, the early human, they do not hunt the animal for the food. They started agriculture, doing agriculture means growing of the crops, and the domestication means that they keep the pet animals at their home like dog, goats and sheep, and from these they may get milk from goat, from the sheep they may get of the wool, and from dog they may get of the bones. Or an animal husbandry had become common. So in this period, the agriculture, domestication and the animal husbandry were very common. Hunting was no longer the primary way of obtaining food, and the early human, they do not hunt animals for their food. With the help of the agriculture and domestication purpose, they eat the food. Humans continued to make tools and weapons from flint, stones and other tools such as scraper for preparing hide. So and the human being in this ages, they also make the tools and the weapons from the flint means a core tool, मतलब जो नोकीला tool हो, and other tools such as, and they also make the another tool such as the scraper for preparing hides. It means that scrapers means एक sharp tool जो भी कोई भी unwanted material को remove करता है. Unwanted material means जो material उसका use नहीं है. Hope so up to here you have understood here. Now see here, this period also saw the introduction of some new kinds of stone tools. So in this period we have also, in the early human has also introduced some types of the stone tools. The harvesting of grain required new tools such as the synth, and these were made from a flint. So the people started to do harvesting of the grain, and for harvesting there was the need of the new tool, and for that the people have invented the synth tool, which are made from the flint. And the synth means a tool which is used for cutting the crops. वो tools जो हम लोग सिर्फ crops को काटने के लिए use करते हैं. Now next paragraph. The stone tools made in the new stone age, like the polished stone axe, were given a smooth, shiny finish for the first time. Now children, you can see here in the diagram that this was the tool which are used by the modern human also, and it has the smooth surface. It is also shiny for the first time. During this age, many new techniques for making tools were used, and during this age, new techniques were used for making the different types of tools. That is why this period is known as the New Stone Age. Evidence of some stone mills have also been found. So, why children this age is known as the New Stone Age? Because during this period different techniques were used by the early human people to make different types of the tools. That's why this period was known as the New Stone Age. Now, and the people, they also find some of the evidence for the stone tools. Hope so you have understood about the Neolithic age. Now we will move on to the next topic, that the Chalcolithic age. In the Chalcolithic age, tools were made of copper along with stone. Now children, you can see here it is a copper ring, and in this stage all the stones, all the tools were made up of the copper and stone both. The hardest copper hoard was discovered in Gangeria in Madhya Pradesh. So there was in Madhya Pradesh, Gangeria, there was a large number of the copper which were discovered. Hoard means a स्टॉक ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट. इसका मतलब ये है कि ढेर सारे स्टॉक किसी भी चीज़ के. इट consisted of copper tools and weapons, and in Madhya Pradesh there was a lots of copper tool and the weapons also. The copper hoards generally consist of rings, shells, sword, harpoons and spearhead. So, and these copper consist of mainly rings, you can see here. After that, shells means a long thin tool similar to an axe. एक पतला सा टूल जो एक्स की तरह दिखता हो. After that, what is the meaning of harpoons? Harpoons means a spear attached to a long rope. मतलब एक लंबा सा रोप होगा, उसमें एक spear attached होगा. Several flat axes and bangles were found there, and in this age there were different types of bangles were found, and the flat axes were also found. People knew the art of metallurgy. Metallurgy means the art of producing metal. Now in this age people also know that how they can produce the metal. They had granaries and mud houses. Their tools were made of copper, and clearly the people were good copper smith. And during this age the people had the mud houses, they also had the granary, and their tools were made up of the copper, and the people were a good copper smith because they were expert in making the tools which were made up of copper. The pottery of the Chalcolithic age was painted pottery, and their pottery was also painted mainly black on red. Mainly the color was black, and on that red was there. The tools were meant not only for fishing, fighting and hunting, but also for agriculture, and these tools were used for agriculture purpose rather than the fishing, fighting and the hunting. This showed that they had a settled life and were more technologically advanced than the Stone Age human. It means that the Chalcolithic age was a period when the early human have settled their life much more, and in this age different technologies were used by the people for the growth and the development, and it was the advanced technology among all the stage of the stone age of the human. Hope so up to here you have understood. Children, can you tell me the difference between the Neolithic age and the Chalcolithic age? Okay, now let's see that what is the difference between both the stone tools. Listen properly. In the Neolithic age, there were tools made of stones and bones. Tools such as sickles, arrowhead and stone axe were used for farming, hunting and clearing forest. इसका मतलब ये है कि जो हम लोग टूल्स नियोलिथिक में यूज़ करते हैं वो बोन के बने रहते थे या तो पत्थर के. एंड द टूल्स दैट यूज्ड वर stone axe, and that were used for the farming purpose, for hunting purpose and for clearing of the forest. Clearing forest मतलब forest को काटना. Now the Chalcolithic such as sickle, arrowhead and stone axe were used for farming. Tools were in the Chalcolithic age, the tools were mainly made up of the copper and the stone tools were also made, but mostly the copper tools were made. So copper tools were also used for making the ornament, and the copper tools, they were also used for ornament. Now student, can you tell me the answer of one question? That we live in the 21st century and still use the copper tool. Why is our age then not known as the Chalcolithic age? इसका मतलब ये है कि अगर हम लोग 21st सेंचुरी में रह रहे हैं और कॉपर टूल्स हम लोग मतलब यूज़ कर रहे हैं, तब हम लोग का ये वाला पीरियड क्यों चारकोलिथिक एज नहीं कहलाता? नाउ लिसन दैट व्हाट विल बी द आंसर. We still use copper tools and many of our kitchen utensils are made of copper. Our time period is known as the Chalcolithic because copper is not only the metal with which our tools are made. इसका मतलब ये है कि अगर हम लोग अपने किचन में अगर कोई भी चीज़ यूज़ कर रहे हैं और भी कुछ डिफरेंट चीज़ें अपने लाइफ में डेली यूज़ कर रहे हैं, तो ज़रूरी नहीं है कि वो मतलब कॉपर का ही बना हो. That's why our period in which we are living in which 21st century we are living, it is not known as the Chalcolithic age. Hope so student you have understood. Now if you want to see the difference of Neolithic and the Chalcolithic, you can see here that polish, stone tools, sickle, arrowhead, pottery at initial stage, small huts, and in this one tools and ornament are made up of the copper. The pottery was painted in black and red, and their house was made up of mud. Now children, again we will back with the new topic and we will study the last stage of the stone age, that is the iron age. Thank you children.